What's up guys, it's your girl Shakima, and today we're back again with another video. And today I'm making, actually this afternoon I'm making some green split peas for my daughter. My daughter does not want to eat meat no more, so I'm trying every day to give her something different to eat. So today I'm going to make this one, the green split peas. And what I'm going to do, I already have some white onion over there sauteing because I wasn't going to do a video, so I said, you know what, let me do a video for you guys to see her journey on her healthy eating or healthy lifestyle. So I'm just peeling some garlic here, some fresh garlic, the onion already sauteed in a little bit of olive oil. I have some yellow pepper, I have some tomato here, and that's about it. The ingredients, it's simple, but it is very delicious, if you know what I mean. Sometimes you don't have to put a bag of season inside a dish for it to be delicious. You just put what you have and what you know will make your dish taste good. And yeah, so I'm just chopping up the fresh garlic here, and this is 4 heads of fresh garlic. Let me show you guys what it looks like. As you can see guys, my yellow pepper bell, my tomato, and my fresh garlic already chopped. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the cutting board like this, and I'm going to bring it over on the, as you can see, the onion is caramel down. It may look burned, but it's not burned. This is the way how I want it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the yellow pepper bells inside the pot, tomato, then the fresh garlic, just like that. And I'm going to incorporate everything together. I'm going to leave this to cook for 4 minutes to saute down, and then I'm going to add the green split peas to it. So I'm going to use 1 cup of this split peas. A cup. Yeah, that's about it. And I'm going to rinse it off, and I'm going to add it to the pot. So look how beautiful my veggies are rendering down. You see that? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the peas and I'm just going to add it inside the pot, just like that. And I'm going to incorporate everything together, mix it in. See that? And this is the time when I'm going to season the pot with some complete seasoning. You can put the seasons of your choice in it, but today I'm using complete season because you guys know how much I love my complete season and I cannot do without it. Woo! You smell that? It smells lovely, the peas. Wow. To this, I'm going to add me a little bit of water first. I'm going to put the water stage by stage to see how much I want inside it. Just little at a time. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to leave it cook down for like 10 minutes, and then if it needs more water, I'm going to add more water inside it. I'm going to taste it for to see if it needs any more seasoning, you know, all of that goodness. So yeah, okay guys, so as you can see, the water is reduced out of the peas. So now I'm going to add some more water. You see that? I'm going to add some more water to it. As I tell you, I'm putting the water stage by stage and slow cooking this wonderful and delicious and healthy meal for my beautiful daughter. Actually, it's for all of us. Because all of us are going to eat the same dinner this afternoon, not just her. I'm going to cover it up and I'm going to leave it to cook some more. Okay guys, so my peas is almost finished. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add me a little bit more complete seasoning, some pink salt, just a little bit of pink salt, a little bit more taste, a little bit more flavor, and I'm going to leave this for 4 more minutes and it's finished. So what I'm going to do now, I have a ripe plantain. It's not really ripe that much, but I'm going to fry it up. You can also bake it if you want, but I'm not going to turn on the oven for just one plantain, so I'm going to fry it this afternoon. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to slice up some ripe plantains and fry it to have it with this delicious meal. You take out my flour? Yeah, and what you going to do with it?
Because I get flour.
I get that flour from church, you know that, right? Alright.
The planting?
Yes, that's plantain. You want plantain?
No thanks.
No?
Yeah.
Yes? Sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to eat planting.
Okay, just now I'm going to fry it, okay?
Okay.
Alright. So I just slice it up like that, guys. And I'm just going to fry it up. Sorry, baby.
Sorry.
So, okay, guys, I cooked some rice. So I'm just going to take out a little bit like that.
A baby sheep, is it?
Just a little bit of rice. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take some of my peas and I'm just going to place it like that. I need a lot like that on top of my dish. Guys, you can also add cilantro to it if you want. And then I'm going to come over the other side now and I'm going to fix the plantains on top of my plantains. And I'm just going to place it like that on top of my dish. I have a little bit of cilantro inside the fridge, so I'm just going to add a little piece to it. Let me see if I can find that cilantro. Where is that cilantro? Huh? What water? Oh, the cilantro finished and I didn't know. Okay guys, so I don't have any cilantro. So if you have cilantro, you can use it inside your dish. Okay guys, so we're eating our food. It's so delicious. You want some, Felix? Look at this, guys. Look at Kissy there, mashing up hers. You like it, Kissy? So delicious, right? So, plantain, so good. Let me get a little piece of the plantain, like so. Little bit of the peas, little bit of the rice. So good.